quick video on disabling the airbags on the Mark IV after installing these aftermarket seats. I tried the resistors didn't work, but I found a way to do it with VCDS. Basically what you do is you go into VCDS, you'll go select control module, and then you go to airbags. And from what I read online, that up here, if it's VW 5 and above, you'll be able to disable them with VCDS. If it's below 5, then you'll have issues. So basically, you go into adaptation, and then channel, and then you can go through basically all the airbags. So these are your options, but this is passenger front. This one up here, you go to channel 2, that's driver front steering wheel airbag. You go to 3 is front passenger side airbag, so that's the seat. You will change the value to 1, which I've already done. You just click up, then this will go away, and then you'll have the option to save. You press save. Just to be safe, I went and clicked done, go back, and then I exited out, and then took the key out and key back on, and then went back into it again. Then you go back to airbags, and then you go into adaptation, you go up, then channel 4 is front driver side. So you go to value 1, obviously you see there, so 0 is airbag enabled, 1 is airbag disabled. You go to 1, you click up, save, go back, and then it's on right now because I'm on the module. But basically the only thing is that you will have this error code, but you won't have a check engine light, and you won't have the airbag light on. So clear code, exit, and they just pop up, see? So we'll exit out of all of this. Now, when you go to start the car, the airbag light will flash for 6 seconds, and then it will go off. So keys in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is off. And then I got that blinking light for the key that is intermittent, but whatever. And let's start the car, see? No light. Quick and easy. Like I said, you have to have that VW 5 and above. I'll put a link in the description to the forum where I found this information. And if you have a under 5, you have to use some resistors, and they have part numbers for that. So that'll be down in the description below. And see you guys next time.